Good evening everyone, my name is Daniel Jacques Barros, grade 11 student, a communication maker not a breaker. Being a student, we must express ourselves clearly, share our ideas, thought, and understand others inside and outside the classroom. As well as being a good son is very important by talking your parents with respect, listen to their advice, and honestly sharing your thoughts and feelings. As a good brother, you must respect, listen to your siblings' ideas, and understand their uniqueness. And lastly, a person with ambition. By having confidence, clarity, and purpose, I can express my goals clearly. Listen to others for learning and be positive words to inspire and motivate others. Today, I want to talk about something that touches every part of our lives. Communication is more than just a word exchange between people. It's the bridge that connects minds and glue that binds relationships and the spark that ignites collaboration. But here the catch. Communication can either build or break, and it's up to us to choose which one it becomes. Let's start with the obvious. When communication is clear, respectful, and empathetic, it becomes a maker and build trust and strengthens family. It fuels teamwork, since the most successful teams, companies, or friendships. They thrive not because everyone agrees all the time, but because they know how to talk, listen, and understand. But when communication is careless, aggressive, or dishonest, it becomes a breaker. Misunderstanding grow, conflict escalate, bridges born, wars have started over words, relations have ended over silence. That's the power of the danger of communication.